Good morning. It's weird. If I look at the viewfinder, it's like one perspective. If I look at the lens, it's like I'm staring into your souls. What do you guys like more? I don't know. Today we are installing the lip kit. I got the entire lip kit back from Ant at Mystique Auto. They did a great job on everything. The paint looks damn near perfect for a 14-year-old car. They matched it pretty damn well. So that's gonna be the scoop. The side skirts you guys already know. So let's just make breakfast and let's go install some parts. Today is very cool because it's hot as hell out, but we're installing all the JDM parts now. So everything got back from Mystique. It's really awesome, very happy. So we're gonna throw everything on. Not sure if we're gonna start with the wing yet. I might start with the smaller pieces because the wing I had to drill into the tailgate, but it's gonna be a cool day. So if you guys have been following me on Instagram and the gram, you'll see that I picked up a JDM spoiler. The spoiler has been the one part I've looked forward to the entire time of this car, surprisingly. This and the JDM hood scoop, because I think they make the biggest difference. So, it's time. We're gonna go get the templates and drill some holes into the Forester. Surprisingly, normally people are like, oh, I'm scared. Oh, me, we're gonna put some holes in the car, and worst case, weight reduction. Let's go with that. Now I just printed out the templates, and with the help of some scissors, you get a template. So this is the left-hand side, that's the right-hand side. I'm gonna put a link in the description to bring you to the templates. Big shouts to the Facebook page, Subaru Forester XT. It's the forum I'm always on. They have the templates listed. So printed these out, cut them out. So I'm gonna cut this guy out and then we're gonna go back to the car. All right, so step one, this is your locating dimple. Center punch the center of it, then drill right through the middle of it, and then you're gonna literally drill through the car. Then, and then we're gonna put the template on it on the outside and you'll see from there. Next, take a step bit and we're gonna drill this hole out to 1/4 inch. Take a piece of blue painter's tape, tape over the hole, then take your step bit and drill it out to 1/4 20. Take a 1/4 inch bolt and put it right through the hole. And then you're gonna take your template and tighten it down onto the template. That's gonna hold it in place while we close it and tape some stuff up. Then take your small drill bit again and drill out the marked hole here. Put a piece of tape over the hole and drill back out with a step bit to 1/4 inch. And now you just drilled 2 holes in your car and there's no going back. So then we're gonna remove this little holder guy. After you drilled those holes, the 4 holes, if you have a US spec spoiler, you're done, you can install. I have a Japanese spoiler, so gotta drill another hole. So I'm just gonna measure the distance from the stud to the hole, mark a hole, drill a hole, and then we can install. And wang. I'm extremely excited now because I have a wing. When I first got the car and I started looking into the body pieces of the car, and I saw them with the wing, I was like, wow, I want a wing. And then I got a wing. So now I have a wing. Let's keep moving with the side skirts. We're gonna jack one side up, pull the mud flaps off, pull the wheels off, deep clean those, as well as put the side skirts on. Did I say side skirts? Side skirts. Quick update, it's still hot as hell, but wings on. The other side skirts are also on, and let me tell you first, I'm hyped. Yeah, no, they look really good. So now I'm gonna show you how to install them on this side. The other side I just wanted to kind of do a dry fit. But first, to get a couple pieces off the garage floor, we're gonna swap out the scoop. Remember, I had the JDM scoop already installed, but I kind of was stuck behind a rock truck and chipped the shit out of it. So the guys at Mystique resprayed it for me real quick and it came out perfect. So we're gonna throw that on real quick, get it off the floor, and we're one step closer to the car being done. But sneak peek. That's it, okay. So first step for the installation, check up the car. So first, jack up the car, then rip your wheel off because A, we're taking the mud flaps off, the side skirt off, and then the front flap. But the front flap, we can get by with just turning the wheel. So yeah, let's pull the wheel off. Next up, crack a cold one. After that's cracked, you're gonna remove the mud flap. Next, we're gonna go after removing this guy here. Use these guys, they're clip removers. There's a Christmas tree that you have to remove. But first, remove all your old hardware from your mud flaps. Now you can kind of just get rid of all the dirt. And then make sure to wipe this down where the rear spat's gonna sit. And then go ahead and grab your side spat. So what I did, I grabbed this bottom hole here and I reused this threaded one, and then I reused the threaded bolt that came out for the mud flap. So I just reused this guy with a big plastic washer, all from the mud flap, sent it through this hole. And now at least it's hanging on there. So now we're gonna go underneath. So now that we are underneath, you wanna tag this hole and then this hole. So all I did, take nut and bolt and some thick washers and send it right on through. And then do the same for this hole. Then pull off the double-sided tape and then kind of massage it where it's gonna sit. There you go. And side skirt time. We're gonna rip the factory side skirt off. Then we're also gonna put the spats back on there as well. And to complete the look. Yeah. And to make life easy, we're gonna turn the wheel this way. Yeah. Remove all those guys and then we can swap over to the new side skirt. After that, open up your doors. And then this piece pops off with it. And the whole thing pops off just like that. Now next, pull this screw out right here. It's like a dummy tree. Undo that, and then this piece will come off next. This is a factory one that comes on the 0405 Foresters. Then this is one that comes off in 0607. The piece is much bigger, so it meets up with the side skirt from Japan. Whee! So then this just goes in place of that. So clear off the double-sided tape, the original stuff, peel that off, and then it pops in down below, and then put this popper right back in. Then again, kind of open both doors, take your new scut, and then line it up. Ta-da! So new side skirt is on with the JDM front spat. Everything's JDM here. JDM AF, my god. So that's on, rear spats are on. I'm gonna throw the wheel on, wipe everything down, and then we'll do some glamour shots of everything. Yes. The body kit is complete on the Forester, right here. It was all the Japanese parts, and all those parts I've kind of gathered over the past 6 months of owning the car. A lot of them came from Raul, a couple came from JDM Emergencies, and the front look came from Slowfaz, Alex, great guy. So I'm gonna show you guys all the pieces now. I took some pictures, so you guys will see those on my Instagram, right here, go check it out. Otherwise, very happy with how the car is coming out. So starting from the front of the car, we have an Area 1320 plate delete that adds about 4 horsepower. You do need a tune for the plate delete. Ryan can hook you up with that. The JDM STI Forester front lip. This is uber rare. I like how it's just a pointing hand the whole video. The lip itself is kind of uber rare because they didn't really make a lot of JDM STI front ends like this from my understanding. I can be completely wrong. If you know more, tell me, please. I like to learn. So not many of these lips are in the States. You can get them from JDM Emergencies. There's another one that Art from Grimspeed, he has the other style front lip. This is a different style lip. This one I think is more rare than his. Just kidding, I got this from Slow Foz, super stoked on it, love how it looks. The headlights are retrofitted with the Panamera shrouds, V1 I believe, a whole bunch of goodies. I'm actually about to retrofit Jesse's, you guys saw his car, so retrofitting his next. And then we got plastic dip grill, came with the car. Moving up is the 02 to 03 JDM STI hood scoop. Got that from Raul as well. E-Team by 9.5, ET38, Enki NT03s. Favorite wheels ever. This is on WRX struts, no spacers. They clear, okay? Just so everybody knows, they clear. I'll still get that question. Moving on back. JDM STI Forester side skirts with the front spats. Moving on back. And keep, just kidding. The Forester STI rear spats, and then my favorite part, the JDM spoiler. What makes it JDM again is the third brake light. Drilled all the holes, which you guys will see. Nerve-wracking, drilled the holes, everything fit. I'm proud of myself. So really happy about that. That's my favorite part. That and the hood scoop are my two favorites. The rear spats are a close second though, I gotta admit. And 2019 STI badge, hate on it. Suck my, never mind. So the Forester's getting underglow, and then that's kind of it cosmetically. I got a couple other small things, but I gotta chill cosmetically, because now it's time to go after the motor. I have big plans for the engine of the car, and then transmission, and then everything to follow suit. But right now the car is kind of where I want it to be. A few other things will happen, but cosmetically I'm happy with the car. Performance-wise, never gonna be happy with the car. We're always gonna keep pushing it. So either way, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.